For a number of reasons, a lot of major manufacturers are going to aluminum coils in their evaporator coils and also in their condenser or outdoor coils. Many technicians are finding it difficult to repair any leaks or holes that they find in aluminum coils. Accomplishing a repair on an aluminum coil, either on a return bend or in the fin pack itself, is not all that difficult. Actually, the aluminum and the alloys to repair it melt at a much lower temperature than for copper tubing, so making a repair such as this is fairly easy. This is an instruction sheet from a major manufacturer for the procedure intended for aluminum coil repair. Notice that coil replacement is recommended if you have corrosion cracks and burst cracks, or you have a singular tube with more than 2 holes in it, or the holes in the tube exceed 0.182, which is about a 3/16 inch at its largest axis if non-circular, and 3/16 diameter if it is a circular puncture. The key to brazing aluminum is watching the flame change in color. Anytime that you start brazing, you will see a good blue flame. As the aluminum heats up to the temperature that you will need to braze, the flame will change from blue to a reddish orange color. This change in color indicates that the base metal is at temperature and is ready for the brazed material. Most of the alloys melt at 1200 degrees Fahrenheit, and the brazed materials melt between 905 and 1080 degrees Fahrenheit. This again is from the instruction sheet from a major manufacturer that lists the brazing alloys, and it also lists that you will need a stainless steel wire brush to prepare the surface, and that it can be accomplished by using a turbo torch. Check with your local supply house for current brazing materials for aluminum coils. The process for brazing an aluminum coil is, first of all, clean the area to be brazed. It must be free of oil, grease, rust, corrosion, and refrigerant. Second, wire brush to remove oxides from the area. Third, flux the area with required flux. Fourth, depending on the thickness of material, select an appropriate torch tip size. Turbo torch standard nozzles will work well for aluminum repair. It is important to size the torch tip to the thickness of the material. If it's too large, a torch tip will melt the aluminum base metal before you're able to repair it. Fifth, heat the area until the flux turns clear or you see the flame change in color. Sixth, continue to heat the joint and test by wiping the braze rod across the joint. Seventh, once the alloy melts on the parent material, add alloy to repair the area. Maintain joint temperature until repair is complete. Do not overheat. Withdraw the torch as required. Eighth, it is best to repair the area the first time. Reheating can cause failure to the repair of the area. Ninth, if reheating is necessary, let the joint cool, wire brush, reapply flux, and reheat the joint so flux melts and reapplies brazed material.
Go to arefco.com for more videos. Like, subscribe, and check back every week for new videos.